Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ariel Nicole. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I eat in a day. So yeah, starting off with breakfast. I just got up and I'm gonna go and get bagels. So I'm gonna get everything but the bagel toasted with cream cheese, and then I'm gonna get a coffee. So I will show you that when I come back. So yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later and I'm gonna have like a little snack. So I'm having these Trader Joe's organic popcorn with olive oil. Yeah, just with olive oil. So I'm gonna have a little bit of these, chill, relax, watch some TV, and then I will have and then I'll come back on here and let you know what else I'm gonna be eating today. Oh my god, my hair looks kind of crazy. Hi guys, so I'm gonna eat lunch. So I'm eating pesto pasta that I made earlier in the week with little bits of chicken, grilled chicken that I got from Trader Joe's. So that's what I'm gonna eat for lunch today. Okay, so it's a little bit later in the day and I'm just heated up an apple pie that I made earlier in the week with a little bit of vanilla ice cream. It looks kind of messy because there was another slice of pie, but I gave it to Steve. So this is what I'm eating as a little dessert. Hi guys, so just want to show you what I'm going to eat for dinner real quick. This is actually so good we picked it up. It's taqueria, so I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, so this is it. I got 3 vegan tacos with corn and peppers. It looks so yummy, and a drink from there. But yeah, I'm so excited to eat this for dinner. Okay guys, so I showered and it's later at night. I don't think I'm going to be eating anything for the rest of today. So yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video of what I eat in a day. If you liked it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!